Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the absolute pinnacle of suburban curb appeal. Your front yard is the handshake of your home. It sets the tone before a guest ever reaches the front door. We are looking at a design style that I like to call the traditional manicured estate. It is a look that demands attention through hyper-manicured precision, lush textures, and an immaculate, weed-free presentation. When you drive through a high-end neighborhood, the homes that truly stand out don't rely on chaotic, overgrown flower beds. Instead, they rely on structure, deliberate color contrasts, and flawless maintenance. Let's break down exactly how this level of curb appeal is achieved. The most striking feature of this design philosophy is its absolute reliance on conifers and evergreen shrubs. Many homeowners make the mistake of planting only deciduous shrubs and perennial flowers, which look great in June, but leave the front yard looking like a barren wasteland in January. By utilizing evergreens, this landscape maintains its volume, structure, and color 12 months a year. But an all-evergreen garden doesn't have to mean just one shade of green. Notice the masterful use of color theory here. The cool, frosty tones of a silvery blue spruce act as a stunning centerpiece. This is directly contrasted by the warm, electric pop of a chartreuse conical evergreen, and anchored by the deep, serious tone of a dark green columnar tree. This varying palette of blues, golds, and emeralds provides all the visual interest you need, without relying on a single flower. Structure in a high-end landscape is achieved through deliberate architectural pruning. The plants in this garden are not allowed to grow wild. Instead, they are sculpted into distinct geometric shapes. Perfectly rounded spheres and mounded shrubs provide a sense of weight and grounding to the garden bed. Conical shapes draw the eye upward, complementing the vertical lines of the home's architecture. And then there is the touch of whimsy and extreme formality, the spiral topiary near the entryway. Placing a highly stylized topiary near the front steps acts as a visual guide, elegantly escorting guests toward the front door, while signaling that this property is meticulously cared for. This contrast of perfect spheres, cones, and spirals is a hallmark of luxury estate landscaping. If the plants are the artwork, the lawn and the bed edge are the frame. In this design, the transition between the softscape and the turf is not a straight, rigid line. Instead, it is a sweeping, organic curve that carves deeply into the yard. A curved bed softens the hard, rectangular angles of a traditional two-story home, making the property feel more inviting and expansive. Against this sweeping curve, we see the absolute perfection of the lawn. Pristine, bright green turf featuring crisp, deliberate mower stripes elevates the entire scene. Those alternating stripes are a psychological cue to the viewer. They communicate dedication, order, and premium lawn care. When a flawless lawn meets a sharp, deep-cut trench edge filled with dark mulch, the resulting contrast is simply breathtaking. While the larger evergreens do the heavy lifting, the decals at the front of the bed are what complete the composition. At the very edge, spilling slightly toward the lawn, we use low-lying, textured ground covers. Soft mounds of pink, white, and yellow flowering ground cover, like heather or creeping phlox, provide a delicate, organic softness that contrasts beautifully with the rigid geometry of the clipped shrubs behind them. To break up the continuous sea of mulch and foliage, subtle hardscape elements are introduced. 2 flat, gray stone blocks, placed thoughtfully in the foreground, add a touch of permanence and earthy texture. Beside them, wispy ornamental grasses sway in the breeze, introducing movement and a softer texture that prevents the formal conifer garden from feeling too stiff or static. Ultimately, the best landscaping doesn't just look good on its own, it enhances the architecture of the house it surrounds. A traditional suburban home, featuring a mix of warm tan siding and multi-tone brown brick, requires a landscape with enough visual weight to anchor it. The crisp white window trims and the warm wood front door are echoed in the brightness of the chartreuse shrubs and the warmth of the dark mulch. The tall columnar evergreens frame the home's edges, while the sweeping bed draws the eye directly to the covered front entry. It is a masterclass in balance and proportion. By embracing structure, evergreen color palettes, and immaculate maintenance, you can transform a standard suburban lot into a manicured estate.